Hello, I am Valya Agrawal and currently I am in my fifth year of integrated masters in chemistry, and I joined in 2016 and hopefully will graduate in 2021. So I am here to answer a couple of questions on why I changed my branch from mechanical engineering BTech to chemistry and later on to chemistry masters. So so the first question that why I changed it after first year was, of course, the option is only available after first year, but why I decided to go through with it was because I have been interested in chemistry for very long, and after first year of my study in mechanical engineering and with a couple of DICs that I had experienced from mechanical engineering, I thought that this was not something that I would really like to do, and as a result I changed my branch to chemistry. Regarding why I did not take chemistry after JEE is the same reason as probably most of you, that parent pressure, peer pressure, rank and all that stuff. So yeah. So the second question is, which areas do I plan to specialize in? I haven't thought of it yet, but from my experience of working in different areas, I've worked in history of science, chemistry education, organic chemistry, quantum chemistry, and for now I'm working in quantum chemistry, but in the future I hope to work majority of my time in history of science or chemical education. So I've done quite a few projects. I don't remember the numbers, but my first project was in Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. It's in Mumbai itself, and there I worked in history of science and how history can be used to understand concepts better and how it can be applied to education. This was about a project of 2.5 years, and well, I mean, it's a very iterative process of the project, and I'm still learning from it, and it was a very helpful project in understanding, in changing my perceptions of history and how we can look at things. Then I have done around 1.5 years of project in organic chemistry in IITB. This project helped me to understand organic chemistry as a process, as a thinking process, and as a research process, how you work in an organic chemistry lab and how research moves in an organic chemistry lab. Then my next project is in the area of chemical education itself, and more so towards chemical education, where I developed learning units for class 9 regarding the study of atomic structure and what is that called, boron, on boron, but like using boron, but mainly as a study on ions. So this was also done at Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. My next project was in the area of statistical mechanics, and it was done in IITB. So this next project that was there was in the area, it was not a project essentially, but it was more of a, I'd say it's more of a job, but with a tremendous learning experience. So in that I was a lab expert in the training camp, in the selection camp for International Chemistry Olympiad, where I standardized experiments and conducted experiments for students. I've also worked in area of organic chemistry at University of Chicago, where I did my third year internship, in which I was involved in a total synthesis project. That I could not obviously finish the molecule in a internship, but it was a very enriching experience for me nevertheless. Um, since then I've worked in quantum chemistry for about 1 year almost, and that is being done in IITB. So uh, I have been in the same situation, of course, and uh, I so I'll I'll not give you advice, but I'll tell you my experience, and if you think that it's helpful, well and good. So I changed my branch mainly because of two reasons. First is uh, that I, of course, did not. I liked chemistry and did not like mechanical engineering, and I was very sure that no, I cannot do chemistry. I cannot do mechanical engineering for my as a career option or anything. Second thing is to uh, have a have faith in yourself. I'd say that faith in yourself, or rather taking the responsibility. So when you have your freedom to take action, you also have your responsibility to take to to accept whatever results the choice gives you. And I made sure that whatever this path takes me, I'll accept it, and for so far it has been going great. I hope so it continues in the future. So one thing that is very special in BS chemistry is a very small batch size, and you get to know people from your batch as well as seniors and juniors, and a very close knit structure of as a close knit, I'd say, environment of the department where all professors are approachable. At least for me, it seems like that, because I've been interacting with my professors a lot, and I don't hesitate to talk with them. So that has been one very big plus in the department, which may not be there in a larger department of 100 students. Our batch size is about 30. Then if you want something bad, then if I were to criticize my department, not criticize the department itself, but the state of things, that many people, at least like in the, not people but rather companies that come for placements, they are often skeptical about people with a degree of Bachelor of Science rather than Bachelor of Technology, for whatever reason, and which I have seen in the placement time of my friends last December, that is December 2019, and which I felt was a little unfortunate to to have a discrimination on basis of degree given the same qualification. But it's a long fight. That is a long battle to fight.